Hey y'all, this is Johnny from RVSWAT. Today I want to show you a product that I think anybody that has a onboard propane tank should have. Stick around, I'll show you what it is right after this. Today I want to show you a product that we got. Now it doesn't say it on here, but this is commonly known as a extended stay for your propane tank. So it's a 4-port propane T. I'll show you. I already have it installed, so I'll take you over to the RV here in a little bit and show you what it is. As you can see, the kit comes with the T, a 5-foot hose, and a 12-foot hose. And if you look at the diagram, this was very easy to install, which is why I didn't video it. It was actually like a 5-minute install. So your onboard propane tank, you just unhook your regulator where your hose goes into your coach, and this T splices in right into where you unscrew it. Once you put this in, one side of the T has the 12-foot hose that can go to external components like your grills, and I'll show you mine in just a second, or basically anything that is set up to receive a 1-pound propane tank. This kit and this hose is set up to go to that right out of the box. If your tank is not set up, or if your appliance, is not set up for a 1-pound propane tank, then you would have to get an adapter to convert it to 1 pound, which I'll put a link to this kit, plus I'll also put a link to the adapter that I'll still have to pick up for my little red campfire. Anyway, the other side of this T, if you have a small propane tank, we keep an extra one, we keep one on hand all the time. If you have that and you run out of propane in your main tank, you are able to use an external tank to hook up. So basically you have a backup reserve of propane at all times. So anyway, let's go over to the RV. I'll show you what it all looks like hooked up. Alright, so here's my compartment where my propane tank. So I have a 20-gallon onboard propane tank. And you can see right up here, this was my existing regulator that was hooked here. So I disconnected here and I put this T in place. And you can see on the T, now I have this outlet that I'll show you where that's running to my grill. And then this inlet, so I can unscrew here, and then with the 5-foot hose that comes with this kit, I can hook it to a 20-pound my regular propane tank. I can go from there and hook it into this inlet, and that will give me a backup. So if I'm ever boondocking, or if I'm ever out somewhere and I run out of propane in my large tank, I can always hook up the small tank to get me through the night, or until I get to a place to refill my propane tank. This outlet is the main reason I bought the kit, because that one I currently have running. You see the hose running here, and I have it running up to my grill. So again, like I said, any appliance that you have, propane appliance for outdoors, that is set up with the regulator, and this was set up to receive a 1-pound little small green propane tanks. This was already set up to receive that. So this hose that comes with the extended stay is designed to go into anything that receives the 1-pound propane tanks. My little red campfire, on the other hand, down there, that one, the hose is set up to go to a 20-pound tank like this. So it's not set up to receive a 1-pound propane tank right out of the box. So they do make an adapter that you can put on the little red campfire to receive 1-pound propane tanks, or the extended stay hose. So again, I'll put a link to the extended stay. I'll also put a link to the adapter, so you can hook up all your appliances outside. This is one thing that I've been extremely happy with. I think I installed it 2 or 3 weeks ago now, and I wanted to run it for a while before I made a video on it to see if I liked it. And I said, very easy install. It took me about 5 minutes to put that in place. And now I don't have to worry about running to the store to fill this thing up all the time when I'm running my grill. So this is a product that I highly recommend to any full-time RVer that has a built-in or onboard propane tank. I've enjoyed it. It keeps us from having to go to the store to refill that small tank all the time. So if you like the video and want to see more videos like this, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.